Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress patterns. Let's dive into understanding what these powerful tools are and how they can dramatically speed up your content creation process. WordPress patterns are pre-designed layouts of blocks ready for you to insert and customize. They offer a fantastic way to maintain design consistency across your website, saving you countless hours. You'll discover how to access the extensive pattern library, featuring hundreds of ready-to-use designs for various sections like headers, footers, and call to actions. Now that you understand what patterns are, let's explore how to easily find and insert them into your posts or pages. You can access the pattern directory directly from the block inserter within the WordPress editor. Simply click the plus icon, navigate to the Patterns tab, and browse through the categories. Once you've found a pattern you like, a single click will insert it directly into your content. Alternatively, you can drag and drop patterns from the inserter right onto your canvas, making content assembly incredibly intuitive and efficient. After inserting a pattern, the next step is to make it truly yours. Customizing WordPress patterns is straightforward, as each pattern is essentially a collection of individual blocks. You can click on any block within the pattern to edit its content, change images, adjust colors, or modify typography, just as you would with any standalone block. This flexibility allows you to adapt any pre-designed layout to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic and messaging. Remember, you have complete control over every element. Beyond using existing patterns, WordPress also empowers you to create and save your very own custom patterns. If you've designed a section of blocks that you frequently reuse, simply select all the blocks you wish to include. Then, group them together and choose the option to create pattern from the block toolbar. Give your new pattern a descriptive name, and it will be saved to your pattern library, ready for instant reuse across your entire site. This feature is a huge time saver for consistent branding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.